Alrighty folks, we're getting really close. I haven't died yet, so that is a good sign. Since the entire two halves of the tractor are sitting on that floor jack alone, I removed these two floor jacks. I'm gonna jack it up, put those floor jacks back under, and see what happens. So all of that is separated, but there seems to be quite a bit of pressure. So we're gonna lift here, and hopefully that'll rise. Well, not what I wanted. Not exactly what I wanted. Did get a broken part out of the deal. So we'll have to either, looks like it's been welded on once before, but we'll see what happens. Now how do they slide this back? They got some special cart they put underneath or what?